welcome back to the channel. Today is time. You've seen the little short, or I guess you have by now. Got the TRAXXAS MAXX Slash. Today is the day we're going to give it its first run. It has no dirt, no scratches. Let's hope we can end the day pretty well the same note. Maybe no scratches, just a little dirt. I have two new 3S batteries on the way. So let's go ahead and get these batteries put in, which, due to the fact these are old and been through quite a bit of torture, has got this tape on it down here. They will fit. I've done had them down in here. They will fit, but I'm gonna get two new batteries because those are just, these have been through the mill. Lock that in. I need to grab me two more body clips to slide down these little holes right here. And if you can see it right here, slide them down in to help keep that battery tray shut. But we're not going to get too wild and crazy today. Go ahead and get this thing down off the bench, get the batteries back in it, or plugged up, and we'll get this thing out here and rip around a little bit with it. Stay tuned. All right, and we got that secured in, so we're going to go ahead and hook the batteries up here. Once I get them turned the right way. All right, we got the batteries successfully plugged in. Let's power this thing on. We haven't had it turned on yet. Go ahead and get the controller fired up. Got lights on the controller. I've only used this one time so far, so I'm going to transfer the phone over to this to where I can do my recording. So if it's a little shaky or something, just bear with me. All right, let's fire this thing up here. Everything seems to be good to go. All right, let's get the body on, take this thing outside. All right, we're running 6S. We got the batteries plugged in like I showed you a second ago. Love this clipless mounting system. Get it squared away. There we go. Body's on. You can hear the fans running. Let's get this thing outside in the dirt. All right, we got the camera rolling. Now the hard part's going to be keeping this thing in focus. I got to keep up with it. I don't have my GPS. We're not going to get a speed test today. We're just going to drive it around a few minutes. Check the road, nothing coming. Clear both ways. Braking. Good acceleration. See if this thing will come a dead stop. Little hard to control. I don't have it trimmed out just right now yet. Steering's still a little. Good grief. That didn't sound good. Oh, what that is. How about that? Jerk a wheelie right off the launch. Have it out here. Let's run it down the road. pinned. And it goes to the ditch, upside down. Will it come out of the ditch? And we are stuck. No, we're good. Just happens to be stuck. A lot of times I use a GoPro where I can mount the GoPro on a forehead mount. Let's take it a little out through the field and back. Wastes no time. Excellent suspension on this thing. I mean, the Slash is awesome in its own right, but it's a 10th scale. Let's see what it does right here to hit this hump. Thing's gonna give the XRT a run for its money. Let's see how far it'll go over through yonder. Hope y'all can see it in the video. It's pinned right there. And it's taking it. And this ain't like a skate park bashing, but giving the suspension a workout anyway. A little tar rub on that one to get it back up here where you can see it better. Hard to see way off from here. You see it? And it stays on all fours. Awesome. And we're back on all fours again, and it's ready to go. How long a run time we're going to get out of this 6S, these two 3S batteries. Obviously for you all watching the video, you know, it's how the fans of stuff have run. I've let it sit there for a minute or two while I walked and paused the video while I walked to a rollover, but the batteries seem to be holding up quite well. Probably should do a stopwatch on just so we can see out here in this grassy area like this. Well, for my initial first run of the car, I'm gonna go back in there in a minute and give it a look over and see, make sure everything looks okay with it, but it's a beast. It's a beast. We're not gonna get these batteries completely run out. I ain't gonna run it that long. Got some stuff I gotta go do, but whoa. Handling seems to be great. I mean, yeah, I've rolled it over a couple of times, but that's gonna happen. slaps the ground just a little hard. The shocks may need to be set up. But let's go ahead and take it in here to the bench, take a look at it, and see what we think. Well, right off the bat, this ain't gonna hurt nothing. It can be cleaned out. The way this tray is made, it's definitely a catch-all. Nothing a little air hose won't take care of. Don't have a motor. Warm, but not too hot to touch. Not bad. Still left it running, got the fans on. I already released the clip to take the body off. Like I said, I blew it, well, you seen me blow it all out there with the air hose. Everything looks well, looks good on it. Got a little grass and stuff stuck there. Scuffed the bottom of it just a little. It does slap the ground just a little harder than I really wanted to, which I guess I could adjust these shocks on up and get a little of that slap out. I mean, it's got pressure. I'm not sure what the oil in these shocks are, but might set that up just a little bit. Get some of that chassis slap out of it. All in all, like I said, seems like a beast of a machine. It's smaller than the XRT, but now it's a whole lot of fun. Let's go ahead and cut this thing off. Well, what did I do wrong there? Maybe it doesn't work that way. Maybe I just have to unplug it. And we're unplugged. We're going to leave it at that. I'm going to call it a great machine for my initial run here. I mean, you know, a little pricey, but looks like this is going to be a whole lot of fun. Really enjoyed the Slash. You'll see the video probably posted up just before this one where I give the TRAXXAS Slash its final bash before I turn it into a Monster Slash. We're going to put the bigger tires, the body lift kit and such on it. Anyway, hope y'all liked the video. If you did, drop a like, share, subscribe. And if you didn't, help me out. Drop a like anyway. Y'all have a great day. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.